Hi, it's Tom from MarineMax Maryland. I'd like to walk you through a new arrival at our store in Kent Island. This is a 2026 Scout 330 LXF, 33-foot center console, powered by twin Mercury 400 Verados V10s with a accent panel stripe there in gray that matches the hull. You can see these boat comes with a full width walk-through swim platform. Very handy for working on motors, getting in and out of the water, getting off if you're on a lift. Coming forward, we got a walk-through door here, secure it. Got a fold-down rear seat. You can retract it if you want to go fishing. And looking up, we've got a retractable hardtop here, extension for sunshade. It'll come in if you want to use the rocket launchers. It's got the aft bench seat option with an insulated cooler underneath. Very handy, aft facing seat. Got dual fish boxes. Port and starboard, bilge access below. Over on the port side here, we got fresh and raw water washdowns, plus an engine flush kit control. Moving forward, we've got side access door, great for landing large fish and getting on and off the boat in a floating dock situation. Checking out the leaning post. We've got drawers on the port side and garbage on the starboard side. Coming forward to the helm. This one has the 60-40 helm seat option, split 60 and 40. Starboard side is 60. It's got armrests. Obviously the bolster is lower, you can see that in the still photos. And at the helm, you got twin 12-inch Garmin's, phone charger in the middle, zip wake control for roll, Mercury vessel view, obviously binnacle, and the JPO joystick. VHF radio. When the hard top is extended, you've got a nice moonroof look here. Controls up top. Air conditioning vents right here in the helm. Those hot summer days. Take a quick peek below. It does have a berth with a filler cushion, toilet and sink, air conditioned down below. Coming up into the bow, a lot of great seating. It's got the now ubiquitous Scout sunbed in the front, also called a coffin box below. We'll look at that. We got these molded in storage bins, port and starboard, next to the cup holders. Got another stereo remote there. Take a look inside the coffin box. Tons of storage and a side boarding ladder for that door. Here's the table storage. The table mounts right there in the front. You can see that in the still photos. And up in the bow, traditional center console seating with storage down below, insulated with drains all the way around, including in the deck here. And then up forward, you got your windlass controls. You can control the anchor from here on the bow or at the helm. And last but not least, up on the hard top, you can see there, it's got a Psionics night vision camera and 2 razor lights for the nighttime. So well equipped, windshield wiper, etc. This boat has everything you need. Again, it's in Alpine gray, full hull color with a boot stripe, and it has the Grigio gray tones interior, so it's a great looking boat. Scout 330 LXF. It's their S-Class series, dual stepped hull. This boat will go probably 60 miles an hour. I'll let you know after I give it a test ride here later today. Love to have you come down or over to MarineMax Kent Island and check her out. Take her for a ride. Wonderful Scout boat, unsinkable, great for the family, fishing, whatever you want to do with it. Wonderful boat. Come on down to Kent Island, I'd love to see you.